guys, we have this Minerva toy slime, and we got it from basically a store that some Americans can't get to because it's at the beach. But sadly, one sad question, they're closed now for about a year now.
Half
a year.
They're closed for winter. We won't go back. We only can go back in summer.
Yeah. The campground honestly doesn't allow us back to the campground.
They search for people and they kick them out then.
Yeah, I guess so. It's because it's snowing and it make it a minute long. So guys, we're gonna listen to this. It's a farting slime for some reason, but only when you put it back in.
And very loud when you slap it. You guys can't hear how loud it is, but it's like this very tan color. To you guys, it's like a banana peel color. To you guys, it might look like the inside of a banana because for some reason YouTube doesn't let the persistent color go on that you see in real life. And she's gonna try to make a bubble, a tiny bubble, by slapping it. Oh yeah, she made a tiny little bubble. So guys, we're gonna have to leave in a couple of minutes. I know, it's very sad, but give me that 25 subscribers. I know you guys can do it. And please guys, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification before we get started. Bye!